All right, bent 12C side view for approval. This is core hole 1-2. That is why you see the concrete sidewall. There is no PVC pipe. This is a core hole 1-2. This is a 2-inch core hole, and so up here in the unhydroblasted zone you can kind of get a sense for what 2 inches looks like in this video footage. So give us a little bit of some scale when we get into the hydroblasted zone.
I'm assuming that the red dots are the rebar loops.
I don't know why the rust streaking right there. I'm not sure what that's all about. It could have been from the smasher tool. Here we are. Very angular. Head on down, John. Give me a spin right there. Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah. Still pretty tight. Coming up on a big hole, heading down. Actually, John, come back up. Come back up. Come back up. Spin off the rebar so we can look at concrete, not with steel. We know what steel looks like. There we go. Head on down. That was good looking steel, but.
Can we spin to the left? Can't see. I want to see what's on the left side. Yeah. Oops.
All right, heading down. Slow. Oh, look at the parrot bird thing looking right there, man. Now that's cool.
Yeah,
It's a parrot.
Like the rock you see on the side of the road, just sitting on top of another rock.
Or a toucan or something like that.
just glued on there.
All right, now this is nice, guys. Let's take a look at that right here. So we have these deep hydroblasted ridges here, and they are free of sand, free of debris.
Okay, so this represents 2 poles? Or
It could be 2 poles, or it could be that that's the way the quad 90 cut or the double 90 cut, or it's just the way it decided to come off out of there. I mean, it's, you know, again, heading down.
Okay, so how far
Wow.
is this? Can we see the end of
That was a
this?
really tight area right there.
Head on down just a little bit. There you go. Okay, so the reason the light shut off is because that hole that we went through was very, very tight, and it just was just like a lampshade over the lights in the camera, so that's why it got all dark. Nobody gets scared. Spinorama, please.
That monster might jump out at you.
Excuse me?
The monster might jump out at you.
Oh, monster might jump out at us. All right, heading down. Okay, spin. Yeah, it's going to jump right when it gets to there. Let's go. Try to turn them the other way just a little bit. Let's go the other way. Other way. He's got it. Yeah, it's just, guys, unfortunately, that one area I wanted to look at, it's just hard to stop the camera right there. Yeah, that's a nice look at some concrete, yeah.
On top, there's loose.
Yeah, no, you're looking at a big ridge right here with no loose debris on it. Oh, I see what you're looking at off screen up there. Yes, this core hole gets a little bit interesting, and whether that is one of these big loose piece that's sitting down there, or whether that's just the way that hydroblasted is sort of hard to tell. But we'll try to get a look at it.
Put a downbeat too, so that won't help.
All right, so it was hard to see because it just went by you guys fast, but there's actually a hole back now to our left that I don't think that the whole mirror and camera apparatus is going to fit down. This is almost, oh, we might have got it. Okay, yep, we made it into almost like a cave-like area down here. This is extremely convoluted. Let's see if we can go for a spin right here, John. Getting into that hole is very difficult. That's a nice look at everything sidewall-wise.
That is rebar?
That's rebar, yep.
Okay, and then there's a piece of PVC down below.
There is, but there's a piece of
Not too big.
PVC, but what's it doing in a core hole? So it blew over there from somewhere else. So again, it demonstrates the connectivity of this whole zone. Heading down, there's the PVC strip Lily was talking about.
And then this sandy gravel.
Yeah, come on up. It's actually give me a spin right here, John. Okay, so that PVC strip is laying. Okay, I got it here. All right, and then down, and yep, some minor gravel on the bottom. All right, and possibly a little bit. Thought there might be a core section over there, but that's just a sidewall. Okay. All right, so there's some minor gravel at the base of it. It's fairly clean. Free of fines. There's one big PVC strip that got blown over there. The problem with evacuating this material is almost getting it out of this cave-like area right here, which we get this extreme constriction right there.
So every time it hits the constriction, it's just gonna
Yeah, the
settle
stuff
back
just
in.
comes back up and settles back down. There's probably not a lot of gravel there. It's very difficult to say how much, but I think we're splitting hairs. Come on up.
Can we try to get it out through
The problem is the lifting,
That's there. By the time you put something down there,
Yeah.
it's blocked.